Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? I got this letter last week from the UK, from the Barbican. You can see the Royal Mail over there. I know what this is. This is a ticket for one of the concerts that I'm going to see in July in London. One of the Steve Earle concerts. I have already opened up. So you might see them almost naked, not completely naked, but in my underwear. Let's see if I can get the ticket out in with one hand. I know I do have a shiny desk for you. Barbican. Barbican Hall, Steve Earle and Dukes, like I said. £34. I'm guessing that's about 40 bucks. Which to me is kind of good for a ticket. This would be, as said, the second one. Yeah, this is going to be the second concert, and I'm looking forward to it. And that would be my 13th time I'm going to London, and actually the fourth concert that I'm going to see in London. First one was Tsukikyo, which I was invited to. Second one, The Offspring, back in 2016. And the third one was just a couple of months ago in October, Star Sailor. You might see the videos on that. So this would be my fourth concert in London. So it's going to be awesome. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe. And if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the webshop down below. And otherwise, peace.